Now let's talk about the Intruder module. Although harshly rate limited in Burp community, Intruder allows us to spray an endpoint with request. This is often used for brute force attack or to fuzz an endpoint. Now how this works, let's check it out. First of all, let's go to our Burp suite. Turn your intercept is on. Suppose I already know the username of our victim, that is the admin, and let's just put any password, random password, and click on login. What will happen? We have successfully request in the Burp suite. Now you can see here we have the UID admin and we have password as well. Now I want to enter different passwords into this login page so that I should know that at the end which password is working. Now just right click on this request and send it to Intruder. Now you can see the Intruder turns red. Now click on it. Here we have different attack type. You can see choose an attack type. We have sniper attack, we have a battering ram, we have pitchfork, we have cluster bomb. Let's go with the default one. But before that, let's talk about position. What do I mean by the position? Configure the positions where payloads will be inserted. This can be added into the target as well as the base request. So now what we can do is, this is our target. Why? Because we want to try different passwords. Now what will happen? We are telling our Intruder that this is the password I want to try randomly or from a file or from a list in this position. So now select your attack type. That is a sniper. Move to payload. Here we are going to add some password. Suppose I am giving randomly, that is admin might have a password starts capital, might have a password admin, and then M is capital. I can also say the admin is using a password mypass. It might be mypass with M capital, it might be person, it might be America, and so on. So here we have different passwords that we just simply put in our payload. Now what will happen? And reader will go and will check that admin with this password, again with this password, and the next round with this password, and in the next round with this password, that is my path, and so on. So each time it will return as a result, and if the result is different from the previous one, we will know that this password is doing something different from the previous one. So we can then check that password if it is working or not. So now let's click on the position. Once again, you can see we have successfully set our position. That is, we want to spray our password in this position. Just click on the Start Attack. This will give you a prompt. That is the Burp Suite Community Edition here at Time Throttled. Why? Because it's not a Pro Edition, so it may take some time. Just click on OK. So now you can see it is trying different passwords. So we are looking for the one which have different length, the response which have different length. So you can see we have the mypass which is a different length. You can see it is 4305 of 2977. So let's try this mypass in our Firefox, that whether it is working or not. Let's check it out. I will just turn off my intercept. Let's come back to here. Username. We have admin and we guessed our password by using the Intruder of Burp Suite, and the password was mypass. So let's click on login. So now let me just show it to you, the password. You said the my password. Yes, and it is working. We have successfully logged in. You can see here we have admin. And we are successfully logged in. So this is how Intruder works. Intruder works just like in an Intruder. It intrudes the login page. So you can spray the login page with different passwords. You can also use Intruder for guessing username as well. So this is all from Burp Suite Intruder module.